Hello, it's online contest through codeforces.com. It's about 2 hours and 30 minutes. Till now, there about 1 hour passed, and this is the contest for this. This is a challenge of the problem. In IT, the clever is new in town. Thousands of people line up or to ORZ him to keep his others entertained. And IT decided to let them solve the following problem related to ORZ. Can you solve this problem too? So here we have an array of n integers. This array is called A, it's a name A, and another integer or variable which is z of integer third type. You can do the following operation any number, possibly 0 or times. So you will select a positive integer I, such as that I greater than 1 and less than n. Simultaneously set AI to AI or Z. AI will, it's one item of the array. A will be set to AI or Z, and set Z to AI and Z. In other words, let X and Y respectively be the current values of AI and Z. Then set AI to Z or Y, and set Z to X and Y, where OR and AND donate to the bitwise operations OR and AND respectively. So here's the challenge. Find the maximum possible value of the maximum value in A after any number, possibly 0 of operations. After any number of operations. So the input, the first line here, each test contains multiple test cases. The first line contains the number of test cases. So number of test cases t greater than 1 and less than 100. So here we have 5. So we have 5 tests. We have 5 outputs. These are 5 outputs. Okay? Because we have 5 tests. Okay? These 5 may be 100, may be 1. Not less than 1, and here greater or equal 1 and less than or equal 100. Then the first line of each test case contains two integers, the first integer and second integer. The first integer of n, where n greater than 1 and less than 2000. Okay? And z greater than 0 and less than 2 power 230. So this is for n and this is for z. This is for n and this is for z. Okay? This is for n and this is for z. Okay. So then we have the second line of each test case contains n integers. N integers. This is because this of 2 elements, so we have 2 integers, 3 and 4. This 5, so we will have 4 elements. This 1, so we have just 1. This 5, we have 5. Okay, and so on. Here we have 3, so we have 3 values or 3 elements, and so on. So let's go to the solution. The solution is here. I have three things. The first one, x integer input, integer to this is transformer function to translate or transform the inputted value to integer value, because it's text, it senses as text. So we have x, which is the number of tests. Then we have n, which is the number of integers, huh? Then we have z, which is a z value. Here we have to do for loop for I equals 0 for j, sorry, for j equals 0 and j less than x and x plus plus. All this will be inside this for loop. Because Python is case sensitive, this is written in Python. Here so this is the solution. I will save it now. So I enter the number of tests here in the x variable, and then I make a loop for entering and doing the test for n for x number. Okay. Then I enter the n for the number of arrays, elements of an array. Then this is the z value. Then to enter the value of the elements in the array, I use this for and this function for entering a of I. Okay, this for comparing and calculating the maximum value according to any number of operations, and here we output the value number, maximum value. This will repeated x time. Thanks for watching this video. If there is any question, you can ask. Now I will submit this file. I will submit here, browse, and then in documents, in downloads, I think this is, and then submit. Okay. So problem A, release again. I will resubmit. I should select the Python language, then browse, then submit. So here we have next the problem number B. This is another problem. We will do it now.